Now, you're watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Tim, you're the man.
Well, it's noisy in the neighborhood today. We got neighbors out cutting trees, neighbors having yard sales. I got a clip. You guys got some dirt on you. I got a clip that got left off my video that just went live this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and repost that because I've got some cool submissions of from subscribers. I'm going to plug in there, let you guys check it out, and it'd be a good test to see if this works, and you guys will get an idea of kind of what we're looking for. So enjoy the random clips from my subscribers, and enjoy this forgotten clip that was left off the video, and hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you live. No, we can't put that in there, so we'll see y'all later.
You're watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.
Okay, I'm tired of sitting here. Let's go. I've had enough. So y'all want to hear an interesting story? See that sign up there, Flying J? Last week, I received a phone call on the business line, and it was some guy with Pilot Flying J. He says, Mr. Gorley, I said, yes, sir. He said, I see you live in so-and-so. I said, yes, sir. He said, I see there's a one of our locations there fairly close to you. I said, yes, sir. This is where it gets scary right here, okay? He says, I see that, well, actually, he said, I'm assuming you are a NASTIC member. I said, yes, sir, that's correct. He said, we would like to earn your business, you know, because he knows that NASTIC does not like Pilot Flying J, even though they are both Tennessee-based companies. And there's a long story with that, with the Haslam family and the business. They embezzled billions of dollars from the trucking industry. The very people they are supposed to service, the very people that helped shape their business, they embezzled billions of dollars from people like myself, small carriers, and, well, I don't think there was any discrimination. But anyway, put all that aside, let bygones be bygones, right? We're gonna get far right here. I think, Swift, you got room, but I'll stop, cut you some slack there, Swift. See, you had all kinds of room. Good job, Mr. Swifty. So he called me, wanted to know if I'd be interested in one of their cards, and you know, credit cards, kind of like the NASTIC fuel card. With a certain credit score, you get 14 cents off. Let's turn that down. We know where we're going. We know how to get home from here. With a top tier credit score, you get 14 cents off the cash price of the marquee, and 5 points per gallon for every gallon of fuel you purchase at one of their facilities. I think the next tier is 12 cents, and so on. So anyway, I said, sure, you know. I'm not opposed to Flying J and Pilot. It's another tool in my toolbox. I do 99% of my fueling with TA and Petro. So it would be nice to have that Pilot availability in my back pocket. We call it a tool in the toolbox. Because when you go out west, you're going across 80 or 90, a lot of times that is the only fueling opportunity you might come across, especially with a high consuming mile per gallon vehicles as we're driving. There could be a long stretch between TAs. So we filled out the app, got the card, should be in the mailbox today, and we'll throw that in the toolbox with the other tools. It's always good to have tools in your toolbox, just like your driver's license. You get the hazmat endorsement. Yes, I can't haul hazmat anymore, but when I could, you had the hazmat endorsement, the tanker endorsement, the TWIC card, the fast pass, the all that garbage, passport. You carried all your tools with you in your toolbox. That way you were able, oh yeah, your tanker endorsement, because when you haul totes, you need tanker endorsement. So all the tools that you can have in your toolbox can come in quite handy. You're trying to get a nut off the back of the engine and you need swivels, you don't have swivels, you're not going to be able to do the job, you know. Well, here's why the truck got so nasty. A lot of it, when they were digging up this asphalt yesterday, it was like riding down a dirt road. But anyway, that guy was doing 50 now, he's going to do 70. We're going to back out of him and let him go. So anyway, we got sidetracked. So yeah, so I'm not 100% loyal to Pi and Plunge, but I will use them when I need to. So yeah, so we're it's about 190 miles, 190 to the house, and we're going to do it because I am the captain of this ship, and it's 3:45 local time on a Friday. I could hang out down here. There'd be another high dollar automotive load coming out of McAllen going to wherever. You just got to be in the position to grab it when it falls. But I'd rather go home and ride the Harley. I mean, if you spend all your time working and you don't enjoy yourself, what's the point? I learned that last February when I bought this truck and decided to become a hobby trucker. I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about life. You've got one life to live, so live it to the fullest. We're all going to the same 6-foot hole, and so we're all going to take the same articles with us, the clothes we have on our back, unless of course you choose to be naked, go out the way you came in, or cremated, whatever you choose. We're all going to go in a hole in the ground and rot, until the good Lord comes home and calls us up. So anyway, so live it, man. You got one life. Live it. I don't want to go into the ground in a well-preserved body. I want to go to one that's been beaten and broken and banged and bruised and has the scars to prove that it was one heck of a ride. Come on. And so we're going to give it our best shot. Kick back and live a little. We got a date with a Harley tomorrow. It's supposed to rain like Sunday and Monday, I think. But anyway, alright, we'll cut this feed and see you guys in a moment.
Hey Tim, this is Ben Iron from Tuckahoe, New York. You are watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on!